What if I told you that the most important election before the 2029 Lok Sabha polls is the Uttar Pradesh Assembly election of 2027? Because when Uttar Pradesh votes, India pays attention. Now, this isn't just about choosing the next chief minister. It is also about testing political narratives, measuring public sentiments, and also setting the tone for the national politics. So, why is UP 2027 being called India's biggest political battleground? Let me break it down for you. Uttar Pradesh is India's most populous state, home to over 240 million people and sends 80 members of parliament to the Lok Sabha, the highest from any state. While this is a state election, its political impact extends far beyond UP's border. The first reason is clearly leadership. By 2027, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will have completed nearly a decade in his office. For the BJP, this election will be seen as a report card on its governance model in Uttar Pradesh. Supporters point to improved law and order, expressway construction, religious tourism, infrastructure expansion, and investment initiatives. Critics, meanwhile, raise concerns about unemployment, inflation, agrarian distress, and also social cohesion. Now, it's ultimately the voters that will decide which narrative carries greater weight. Now, the second major story is that of opposition. For the Samajwadi Party and its allies, 2027 is an opportunity to demonstrate that they can convert electoral momentum into a viable challenge. Can they broaden their support beyond traditional voter bases? Can they present a united and credible alternative? The answers to these questions could reshape the state's political landscape. Another issue likely to dominate this campaign is also employment. With a young electorate and millions entering the workforce, jobs, education, government recruitment, skill development, and opportunities for economic growth, they are expected to remain the central concerns. Increasingly, voters are asking not just who governs, but how governance improves their daily lives. The election is also expected to witness a fascinating contest between the development and also the welfare. Political parties are likely to highlight infrastructure projects, industrial investments, and connectivity while also emphasizing welfare schemes, social security, healthcare, and direct benefit transfers. Rather than choosing one over the other, the challenge for every party will be convincing voters that they can deliver both. Identity politics, caste equations, and regional alliances will continue to influence electoral strategies, but there is also growing evidence that governance, aspirations, and local issues are becoming equally important in shaping voter behavior. Perhaps the biggest reason this election matters is what comes next. The verdict in Uttar Pradesh will inevitably influence political messaging, alliance building, leadership strategies, and campaign priorities ahead of 2029 Lok Sabha elections. Every national party will be watching the results very, very closely, not just to understand who won, but why they won. So the Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections of 2027 are about far more than forming the next state government. They are a test of leadership, governance, opposition strategy, voter aspiration, and the evolving priorities of India's largest electorate. As the campaign unfolds, one question will remain at the center of this debate, which is, will Uttar Pradesh reaffirm the current political order or will it signal the beginning of a new chapter in the Indian politics? The answer could shape not just the future of the state, but the direction of the nation itself.